Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to host on Vrbo. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that perfectly explained how to become a Vrbo host. What is a Vrbo host? Both Airbnb and Vrbo are very similar. A Vrbo host is a vacation rental owner who lists their property on the Vrbo platform. Hosts are responsible for managing and maintaining their rental property, as well as interacting with guests and ensuring their stay is enjoyable. However, some hosts on Airbnb and Vrbo hire property managers to take care of their rentals for them. Why should property owners consider Vrbo hosting? Whether you're looking to make money from a vacation rental home as a property manager or individual owner, here are 5 reasons to become a Vrbo host in 2022. Increase profits, high demand, you're in control, you can be selective, and diversified investment. So right here we have the Vrbo host requirements. To list your vacation home or other rental property on Vrbo, you'll need to provide the following: the property address, property information, rental rates and guest service fee, photos and videos. And lastly, we have how to become a Vrbo host for vacation rentals. If you're interested in becoming a host and providing short-term rentals, then follow these simple steps. Firstly, create an account, add your property listing, add photos and videos, set your availability, respond to guest inquiries, approve or decline bookings, and lastly, get paid. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.